Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I transform my workplace. This is the before of what it looked like, and you guys are going to see the transformation of how it looked in the clip that I first inserted, and also these pictures right here. So as you know, we all have been working from home, and I've been using my workplace as for my business and also for my day job. So I'm just finishing up a few head wraps that I had, so putting that away before I start taking down everything. So as you can see, I'm bringing in my table. I got this table from Amazon, so I'm just opening it up, the package, just to see what it looks like in person, and just making sure that everything is there. So this is a vinyl cover thing that I bought for the table. I wanted a white table, but I wasn't able to find that, so I got that one in hopes to cover it. So you guys are gonna see the transformation of what it looks like once I'm done covering it. The idea that I had for it actually wasn't what it came out to be, but I still love what, the outcome ended up being. So I'm just making sure that everything is laying flat. Sometimes you get bubbles and stuff. So just making sure that it's all flat all around in the corners. If you guys have used this before, leave me a comment and just let me know how it worked out for you guys. So this is me trying to put the second part, and actually wasn't enough, so I'm just taking that off, and we're just gonna see what that looks like. So I'm just moving the table out the way. So I'm just vacuuming here just to clear the space so I can, move my shelf to this side. So it's a full transformation. So everything's gonna look different from what you guys saw. And I know it looked a hot mess, and I look a hot mess, so don't mind me. It's quarantine, okay? So I just went to grab the other shelf. So one of them have my head wraps, the other one have like the African print bags that I'm selling. So making sure that everything looks neat. This is what it looks like. So now this is my sewing table that's in the background right here. So I'm just moving my stuff out the way. All the crap that was like sitting under it, because I'm gonna move it to the other side of the wall. So I'm just moving these things out of the way. And I also got my sewing machine from Amazon as well. So I'm back to this table. Such a headache. So I'm trying to figure out how to put it together. Like I said, I wanted a white table, but I wasn't able to find that. So I got this one. The legs came in black, so I spray painted the legs into like a gold color, just the outside of it, which is why it looks the way it looks right now. So I'm just putting it together. The pieces were actually kind of heavy, and it took some time to put it together. So I mean, this was a Saturday night, so it's not that big a deal. And I love the way it turned out. So okay, so I'm just making sure everything is secure. All the screws, making sure that they are, in the right place. And I'm just checking the social media. You know how that goes, taking a little social media break, checking my messages, answering emails and things like that. And back to work. Let me know if you guys have used this table too, because it was such a headache trying to find a table that I like. So I definitely had to do like a DIY situation. So this is me trying to put the table up. As you can see, the leg, one of the legs is like very wobbly because I didn't really tighten it up all the way. But I just wanted to really see what it looks like. I wanted to just see the vision. So I just wanted to kind of put it up so I can see. So right here, I'm just fixing this shelf thing that I got from IKEA so I could put my plant on it that I got from IKEA as well. Okay, so this is the plant that I got from IKEA. This is pretty much the biggest part of the transformation, me putting the table together and also moving some things around. So let me know how you guys like this. This is what ended up looking like right here. So I really enjoy it. I have my 2 computers on my desk. I use the desk for my work, and also you see my sewing machine and stuff in the back. This is my shelf for my business, which is Cool One Head Wraps. This is my sewing machine, my serger. I have 2 sewing machines on there, so I can just go right there and sit and just sew and hop on the other desk if I want to send out emails, print out labels, and also work my full-time job. So, and as you can see with the desk end up being just a half piece, and I actually like it, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not even gonna get more to fix it. So thank you guys for watching. Leave me a comment, let me know how you're liking this video, and yeah, see you guys in my next one.